Hello foodies, welcome to Kitchen Flavor. Today we are going to be cooking this yummy kidney sauce. So we start by adding some salt to our kidney, which is already washed. We add some seasoning powder to it, then we add curry powder, some black pepper because we want it spicy, some roast paprika, we added roast paprika to this kidney, bell pepper, smoked paprika to it too, some cayenne pepper, white pepper is also added to it. This sauce will be very spicy and tasteful. Next, I'm adding my garlic powder to it, enough of garlic powder. Later, I'll be adding some generous amount of thyme. I also added oregano, dried oregano to it. Then now it's time to mix. So after adding all these spices, I gave it a good mix. I'm using my hands because I really want everything, all the spices and the seasoning to enter into the kidney very well. So I keep mixing. I mix until I feel that everything is already good combined together, that all the spices and the seasoning have entered very well inside my kidney. Then I put my oil on the fire. When I see it's hot, I'm adding some onions to it. Then I fry the onions until I see that it's turning to light brown. Next, I go in with my garlic and ginger paste. This is something I always have in my fridge. I always have this blended garlic and ginger paste. It is a game changer. So I added my ginger and garlic paste and I stirred for it to mix and fry a little, not too much because I still want all my flavors to be there. Now I'm going in with my spiced kidney. It has marinated for about 30 minutes. Now I'm putting it inside my oil and I fry. So I allow it cook a little before I stir because I want the side that's already in the oil to cook, and then I'm stirring. I keep stirring while it fries on high heat. I'm adding some chili flakes to it because I really want my kidney spicy. Now I'm adding some soya pepper to it. Then I mix everything for the pepper and the sauce and the kidney, everything to mix together. Let the pepper enter well. So when you give a bite, you feel that pepperish hotness in your mouth. I'm adding some chopped tomatoes and spring onions to it. That is when it's already about it's already ready, it's getting ready. So at the end of it all, I add a little bit of chopped tomatoes and spring onions to give it a beautiful look. See now, see how the spring onions give a little greenness to it. Oh my god, can't wait to taste it. Can't wait. Now our kidney is ready. As you can see, there is no water in it, just sauce and that yummy tomatoes. So I cover just for about 1 minute now for it to simmer, that tomatoes to be cooked a little, and the spring onions too. Oh yeah, it is done. Now it's time to serve and devour. It looks so good. Bon appetit.